Hi, I'm Mike Lynch. I own 4736 Hazel, have done so for about 36 years, and I'm going to take you through a view of the first floor. This is the house. This is the front yard, hardly ever used. I'm going to show you the side of the house here. These stairs and this door go to the upper floors. There's 4 apartments upstairs. Each one is for one person only. And here's the entrance to the first floor. (4736). Here's the view from the front porch. And here's the entrance. Oopsie, lights are off here. Yeah, there's the lights. There's also outlets down here, by the way. There's an internet connection number 1. You can see the Cat 5 line there and a coax cable should you want to put in cable TV. I paid for the internet. This mirror stays with the house, but there's some things here that the current tenant is moving out. This is the last of the things need to be moved out. There's the front door again. I'll close that. I'll remind you there's a fire alarm system here. This switches for the outside light. Let's see. And this is a 3-way switch here for these lights with another switch on the side. Here's the hallway here. And this light switch operates those also. So this is one of a 3 or 4-way switch, I think, which operates the hall lights. This used to be a thermostat. Now it's just kind of a knick-knack box. This is underneath the stairway that goes to the upper floors. Just a little room for storage. I'll get into the first bedroom. Oh, the fire alarm system. If the fire alarm goes off in the house, this has a light and an alarm that ring. Here's another light switch for the same hall lights. So you can turn it off from the bedroom. And this switch here turns on. Oh, that's very pretty. This is the front bedroom. This storage area is staying, and shelving and hangers. And in here, shelves. So that stays here. Outlet here, outlet here. Here's the second internet and cable access. There is a set here for putting an air conditioner. I have air conditioners in the basement. And you can put it out the window and the bars keep it secure. You can control this by 2 chains. And there's a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide detector. That's local. Each bedroom has one. I'll show you that. Oh, and this is a closet underneath the steps that go up to the 3rd floor with more closet space here. I'll back up as far away from it as I can. And interestingly, you can see kind of where the stairs go by looking right there. That takes from people come in from that side door I showed you. They move along there and come up through there. So 4 people. I'll turn off the switch. All right. Here's bedroom number 2. Gas ceiling fan. There is no internet connection in here, except of course Wi-Fi, and there's Wi-Fi for the house, or you can plug in your own Wi-Fi from the Cat 5 connections in the living room or in the front bedroom. There's the trash down below. This closet has a little storage area up above it. There's a lot of area there, a lot of great closet space. This one has actually an extra switch, one for the fan and one for the light. Fan is still running, but I'm going to turn it on. Maybe you can hear it. I don't know. It's pretty quiet. But anyway, that's that. Did I turn this one off? Yes, I did. All right. Finally, we've come this way. This is another switch for the hall. There's 3 of them that run the hall switch. Oh, let me do that from here so you can see me do it. All right. And there's the bathroom here, recently renovated. So this is flow, the sink, and the toilet, and the shower. Also overhead ceiling lights, separate from that. Turn them on. There's a GFI plug for plugging in hair dryers or shavers or whatever. This window can be opened if you want, but it keeps privacy available. That's about all I can tell you about this one. This top drawer is fake, but the other drawers have a little storage. All right. Here's the kitchen. Oh, it didn't turn on this duct's out through the box overhead that goes out to the outside. And you can see the fan controls it. And here's the light switch. The sink. I guess I should do that in the bathroom, huh? Hot and cold. I guess the tenant's leaving behind a dish tray. GFI outlets there. And there's a garbage disposal. Let's see what we got under the sink here. I don't know what I'm going to find. Oh, not too much. Take a look inside of here. It's in good shape. Let's see. Cabinets look pretty decent. Oh, a drink left behind. I'll put that down here for now. This is operated by control. Let's see, where is it? You know, it turns on both lights. Both lights have the same switch. You can do that from here as well. Yep. This goes off. All right. Here's the, oh, this is a built-in, well, hardly built-in, but it is built-in now. It can't be moved unless you insist. But it's a shelving unit as well. Fire extinguisher here. Outlet down there. Another outlet here. And a third outlet there. This area is a way to get a shower. It's emergency hatch. So I'll have to move all the stuff around. And you can fit an air conditioner in here. I have one in the basement that fits. Oh, above the cabinets is a little way to let light in from outside. So if I turn off the lights here, well, again, it's a question of turning off the lights or the lights and the fan. All right. Oh, did I show you this? Excuse me. Ugh. Let's see what's going on with that. This is the refrigerator, and this is the freezer. Both are turned off right now. There's no point in wasting energy. This is I call it the breakfast nook. You could have a little table in here, and it'd be right next to the kitchen area. It's very nice. Light comes in the morning. Here's the look into the backyard. One of my tenants has left a tent out here. I'm not too happy about that. This bush here and that bush over there put out some really pretty purple flowers in the summer. You have to look on my map on my website to rentalmgt.com to see pictures of that when it's done. This is how to get out to the laundry area. The washer and dryer, they are pay machines, and they're shared with the upstairs tenants who have to come in through this door. It's locked for them. They have a key, they can come in, and they can do their laundry here, but they can't get through this door because it's locked from your side on the inside. So they can't get in. I'm not going to lock it now because I'm going back in that way in a minute. Here's the backyard with that tent that shouldn't be there, and I'm not sure what the trash can is doing there either. I'll have to talk to somebody about that. I have one of my tenants is supposed to be keeping the yard sidewalk clean, so I'll have to talk to him. Now the world is locked out except for tenants with a key. Another fire alarm to pull. Smoke detector out here will set off the whole house alarm. This is the back side of that window I mentioned before. I'll show you what it looks like now with the lights out in the kitchen. It's just a little something, a little nice feature. And what else? That's about it. Keep the tools here for keeping the yard in good shape. This can be turned off by the tenants or by me here. Let's work in opposition to each other. Three-way switch. More tools. If you put your laundry here, please put your apartment number on it, and ideally your name, so that if you leave it behind, I can get it out of the way for the current tenants. You're the only one, you don't even have a key for this, but it locks everybody else out. I'm the only one that has a key for the back. If you need it for some reason, let me know. And this operates this switch. How did I do that? All right. Did I show you the GFI? I think I did. This goes to the basement, and really that's just for access for making maintenance. The heater has a problem or the internet has a problem. That's what it's for. It can get wet down there, so I don't invite people to go down there as a rule. I do have a dehumidifier running, and it worked pretty hard to keep the place from getting water, but it's been known to happen. Goodbye, bedroom. Second bedroom. This is with no light. It's still pretty bright in there. The hallway, less so. And there's an outlet. It's hard to see it, but it's down here. Behind the tenants and stuff. I'll move in. There it is. Over here, I showed you that one already. And there's one over here. In fact, there's one over here as well. So, I think I've shown you just about everything about this. I can show you. There's room for an air conditioner to fit right in here. Fits behind this window. There's a view out the front. I hope that's enough information for you. Have a little hangar area here. Window had 2 parts. So that has been 4736 Hazel. Thank you.